Hello po sa lahat ng Bugoysters. Maraming salamat po sa magandang feedback niyo sa akin as Young Bugoy. At sana po ay maging friends din po tayo. Salamat po ulit ng marami at God bless po.
When I'm finally here tonight, picking up the pieces, walking down into the light, into the sunset of your glory. When my heart feels your light, there's nothing like that feeling when I look into your eyes.